Ang sarap pala ng miso sa pasta ay na-try ko to sa isang nice cafe sa SM Aura. Meow guys! Lagi ako nakakakita ng Zig stalls sa malls which are known for their healthy offerings and meron pala silang cafe version and it's located sa level 3 ng SM Aura. We decided to spend an afternoon here and so glad we did kasi na-try ko tong miso mushroom pasta nila. Ang sarap nito, very savory, umami, then may saltiness from the cheese. Well-binded pa yung sauce sa pasta kaya very pleasing siya kainin. Ito naman yung Italian style meatballs nila. Ito yung best paired with their wine. Very lean and meaty. And kung mahilig ka sa meatballs, must try to kasi ang laki ng serving. Mababa expectations ko sa mga cafe cakes but their ube cake is really good. Very moist. Parang soaked sponge cake ay may ube jam pa na feeling. Their chocolate moist cake naman, ang thick ng chocolate layers. Bit dense for my liking lang. For my toddler, nagtry kami ng pumpkin soup. Very soupy yung consistency. For my personal preference, I like pumpkin soup na may thick creamy